Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Jordan 9 in the Bred colorway. This is a very iconic color because it never actually released, which is pretty surprising because this Bred colorway looks like something that Michael Jordan would have worn back in his heydays. But this Air Jordan 9 right here was actually worn by a few other players like Eddie Jones and Jason Kidd back in 2002. And this was a very sought after Air Jordan because it was only a PE, but now for the first time it's being released to the public in a classic Bred, dubbed a Bred colorway or PE colorway. So this is a pretty cool sneaker because it's an Air Jordan 9 using a predominantly black upper, but mixing the materials a little bit with some patent leather obviously on the mudguard, and then you got leather on the entire upper part of the shoe. Let's not get too ahead of this shoe right here. Let's start by reviewing the outsole. You got your classic Air Jordan 9 obviously with your Jumpman logo. This is actually anthracite on the bottom, which is a subtle little change, but it's really dope to see on the Air Jordan 9 obviously. You got your aggressive all black midsole with a little bit of that anthracite hit with the red Jumpman, and then the upper part of the shoe obviously takes on a triple black upper with patent leather on the mudguard side panel that continues and wraps around the ankle, and then leather throughout the side panel, and toe box of the shoe. Obviously you got your red pop on the heel right there with the logo and your pull tab. Shoes come with your circular laces. Obviously the detailing on there, Karachi-like technology with the Air Jordan logo at the top. Where do you guys rate this Air Jordan 9? I want to know in terms of all colorways. I definitely think this is a super hot Jordan. And I'm not a big Air Jordan 9 fan. It's time to look at what this guy looks like on feet, so let's see what these guys look like on feet right now. Alright guys, so this is what the Bred Air Jordan 9s look like on feet. I really think that these Jordan 9s are one of the craziest new colorways of Air Jordan 9s. Obviously it's not so new because it was a PE that some players wore back in 2002, but I definitely think that in terms of being available to the public, this shoe is crazy. Let me know what you guys think about this Air Jordan 9 Retro. And I'm not a huge 9 fan, and I know a lot of you guys are, but still a great looking shoe, especially with that all black patent detail, which is pretty cool. That's pretty much it for me. These shoes fit true to size, in case you guys were wondering. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future. And also hit the bell so that we can get you notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you guys for watching.